It's me, Mikey Pipes. Did you miss me? I missed you. And today is Tuesday, November 9th, 2021. Look, I got it right. Ain't that right? Yep. Peter Piper? No.
Peter Pan.
Peter Pan? Peter Pan. And we are off to Hewlett Bay Park for a Weil McLain Ultra 3 that is not heating. So let's go see what's going on with their Taj Mahal. Remember, if you want stickers, email me, Mike at mikeypipes.com. I got versions 1, 2, and 3 all available. And coming up, we have long t-shirts, branded Pipe Doctor. So if you want any, details in the description box down below. All right, let's go. Oh, love me Taj Mahals. Where is it? Where is it? Where is it? We're looking for, not that's 222. Let's see.
Your destination.
Is it this one? Yep, that's the one. That's gangsta. Damn. That's where ballers live, by the way. Look at this. That is where ballers live. All right, let's go fix him. Here's the problem is.
I know it's not running.
That's right. All I know is I gotta get me one of those little waterfalls for your front walkway. Damn it! And a koi pond. God damn. Is that a snail? No. All right. Let's go give them heat. We have to go through the service entrance.
Yeah,
basically. Yeah, you know, you have these Taj Mahals. They don't want the help going in through the front door, you know? So.
Put booties on?
Nah, I think the boys in the garage, probably. We'll find out. We'll find out. Let's see. Let's see what they have in the garage. What do you think they have in the garage? Let's see. Anything exciting? An empty garage. Oh, this is no fun. Hi. Good morning. Thank you. All right. The red screen of death.
Yeah.
Lockout info.
So, evaluate the boiler already.
Let's hold down these buttons and see what's going on this bitch. Ignition fault. Dum dum dum. That sucks. Let's go to the other one. Ignition fault. Let's see what it does. Why do people call me, buddy? We have ignition. We have ignition. Houston! We have ignition. Oh, no, we don't. Pre-purge. I smell gas. Smell that gas? I got a whiff of gas. By the way, why are you staring? What are you looking at, Swan? What are you staring at? You damn relief valve with no drip leg on it? You're just gonna poke me in my eye. These Taj Mahals, man, no drip legs. No drip leg on that. No drip leg on this. No ignition here. Oh. Alright. Looks like Mikey Pipes has to work today. Ooh, look what we have here, by the way. You know, it looks all pretty, but no isolation flanges on the top of below each circulator. This is called the circulator. Capiche? These are called zone relays. This is a zone valve. These are contactors that normally use in air conditioning condensers. I guess they use them here because I guess they could. Looks very nice and neat, but if I need to change a circulator, I gotta drain the whole entire effing system. Because they don't have valves on top or bottom of each circulator. What a shame. What a shame. And what a shame there's no relief drip leg on this relief valve. And it's also what a shame is that this thing is not firing up. All right, hold on. You can be the cameraman. You're my production crew. You know, they say that when you have tons of subscribers on YouTube, you're gonna have a production crew. You're my production crew.
You gotta hire an editor too.
No, I do that all the editing myself, right on thing. All right. This is called the heat exchanger. Okay. This is called the draft motor or inducer motor. This is the gas valve. This is the gas coming in. But right now, we don't have ignition. You see, nothing's going on in there. So the first things we're gonna do, kill power. Now, let's look at the flame rods, which is gonna be this one right here. I need a Phillips screwdriver. All right, got the 2 screws out. There's the other one. Other one's sitting right there. Let's see how dirty this thing is. Oh, no wonder why they don't have ignition. Damn. It looks like yesterday's anode rods, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. All right, we're gonna try to clean this up. We cleaned off the flame rod with scratchy paper, embry paper, if you want to correct me. And she looks a million times better. So I'd like to see if this corrects the problem, and then we could be on our way. Now you may be asking, well, why did this happen? This happens for a variety of things. Lack of maintenance. Hi.
I'm sorry. Are you on phone?
Yeah.
Okay, my name is Bumi. In case you need anything, I'll be all the way down in the kitchen. How long is it going to take you?
I don't know. We're gonna find out.
Be here for a while.
Hopefully not.
Okay. You could just scream my name.
Okay.
Don't come over.
You got it.
Let the garage door open.
All right, thank you.
Yeah.
Thank you so much, ma'am. All right, so we're gonna put this in, but you may be asking, like, why did it happen? Well, it could be lack of maintenance, which it may well be. It could be a gas pressure issue. You may not have enough gas pressure that's causing that thing to get all caked up like that. But it happens very, very frequently. It's an easy repair, and once we secure this and turn it back on, hopefully the problem goes away. If it doesn't, well, then we have to really dig deep in here and figure out what's going on. All right, let's go. All right, now the flame rod is secure. I'm gonna reconnect the spark cable from the control box. Turn on the power. Your displays are never easy to read, by the way. So the Ultra 299. Supply sensor attached, return sensor attached, outdoor sensor is not attached. Warning if incorrect, refer to boiler manual. Well, duh. This is gonna start a startup sequence, and we're gonna see if we have ignition. All right, right now we are in pre-purge. As you can see, we should fix the date and time. Pre-purge still. Wait for it. And Houston, we have ignition. Look at that. Beautiful. Look at that beautiful glow coming from the main burner. Oh, she's like the sun. Look at that. She's like the sun. Oh, such a beautiful, beautiful, beautiful machine. Beautiful. Look at that. She does need annual service. Oh my God, look at that. They put they put an air conditioning condensate trap in there. Oh man. Hack City. Hack City. No, actually, that's not Hack City. That's actually pretty smart what they did there. Make that work. Look at that. That's pretty cool. Effing cool. Now, let's look on the bottom of this boiler. I've seen many heat exchangers on Ultra 3s basically rot out from the bottom, and this one looks nice and clean for now. You can see inside that combustion chamber, we got a lot of dirt on the heat exchanger. As you can see, we're gonna have to send Daniel here and do a full PM on this bad boy. That's what we need to do. We need to do a full preventative maintenance on this bad boy. But for now, we got him up and running with me, Mikey Pipes, and Peter Pan. And make sure Daniel puts on some drip legs on these relief valves. All right, make sure you smash that thumbs up button. If you haven't done so already, Saint Mike commands thee to smash that subscribe button if you haven't done so already. Why? Because we're at 25,600 subscribers, and we need to be at 50,000, hopefully before next summer. Because if it happens before next summer, the most epic YouTube pool party is going to be amazing. And we're going to have female entertainment. We're going to have Don Julio 1942. We're going to have Beluga Gold vodka. We're going to have some Macallan 21 too. We're going to get Macallan and Glenlivet to also sponsor the epic pool party. And maybe even some Corona. Make sure we get a case of Corona. Because let's go, Brandon. Make sure you subscribe. Be well. God bless. Stay safe.